Allow me to take you to the village for a minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kashdvsn. If you're new, welcome. If you're all, welcome back. And you already know what the vibe is. I want to obviously do my makeup. I think I've finally perfected my technique when it comes to like actually my eyes. Like I want to show you guys how I don't let my eyes look like this, you know? So I finally perfected that technique and I want to show y'all because I don't know what this is called, but it makes it look like I have bags when I actually don't have bags. I don't know what it's called. This right here. I'm breaking out right here. Honestly, the past week, we can't actually talk because I feel like venting, and we will be using Kashdvsn's collection, literally the whole video, everything. Sponsored by Kashdvsn's collection by Beauty by Lexi. Literally my favorite Houston-based makeup artist, and it's not because she's my sister. And it's not because she's my sister, but I'm in love with her products, and I don't even know how to explain how in love I am with her products, but I'm very much in love with her products. I really wanted to film a TikTok video while I do my makeup. I don't know if that was even gonna work. But I'm child next. So today we're doing the UK babe style makeup. We're gonna start by spraying our face using the Kashdvsn's collection hydrating primer. Using the Kashdvsn's collection hydrating primer, and I really like getting my eyes. Like the trick, honestly, I love this primer. I think you can use any silicone based primer. I don't know if it's silicone based though, but it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's really nice. It's soothing. It's smooth. I have super dry skin, so honestly, I would say it's really good to have a great base, like hydrating base, when it comes to winter makeup anyways, like fall makeup, cool weather makeup, period. You just need to really have a good base, and this has been a great base for me. I use a lot, but that's how much I use. So I honestly don't like using a makeup brush. I've never enjoyed this as part of my process, so yeah. I kind of call this 3-count layering, or I mean 3 concealer layering, or 3C layering. So what I do is I get 1 concealer and I put it right here. And this will be the concealer closest to my shade. My foundation. Like, as you can see, I'm a fawn in just one concealer closer to my shade. Right, my eyebrows look too dark. And then I get that blend. Blend. And I also put it over my eyelids so that can go in as unison. And you know, you already see it's kind of already giving the illusion, but it's not fully giving the illusion that I wanted to give. So that's like my skin tone, right? And then I get a concealer that is kind of light, but not too light. Like, this is my actual conceal, like my highlight color. And mine typically stops right there. And you really want to put it like exactly where, like, especially this shade, you want to put it exactly where your problem area is and go from there. See? And blend. But I guess I kind of blend this side this shade a little different, because I'm also trying to do the UK thing in it. So I didn't know this was a UK thing. I've been kind of doing this. I just use my pressed powders as a eyeshadow instead, and like my contour and stuff. I didn't know that was called the UK babe, I didn't know that was a British makeup trick. But I've always been a UK babe at heart. So, I've always been a British 10 at heart. But yeah, basically you want to get the powder in your eyelid. Like I always tell y'all to do this. It's like my favorite neutral. I'm not trying to do too much, so boom, period. Right, this is not like too much. So that, and also I put powder over my eyes now. Now I put powder over my eyes, like right here, right? I put a little bit of my pressed powder in the corner of my eye. But like only where, like right here, like literally only where the line of demarcation is. So like right here, right? And then I get my lightest shade, which is pretty much my whitest shade. And I put it underneath my eyes. Because honestly, it's just an elite look. Like, I've always just been obsessed with this like eyeshadow thing. Y'all, I'll need the real note, right? I feel like it looks exceptional on dark-skinned women. It really does. Sometimes this concealer be a little tricky. Just a little tricky, but it has to work that. In my head, my eyes are huge. And it's cool because, my contour is going to come in save the day if I do mess up. And y'all know I like to contour over my highlight and blend everything together. So let's do that. Setting powder. Oh, shit. Oopsie. Oops. I just wasted a whole bunch of my setting powder, but it's cool. It's okay. Get your setting powder. I'm using the Kashdvsn collection one. And you just press it in. I don't bake. I don't bake at all. I just press it in. And I love this powder. It goes on really smooth and it doesn't look too cakey sometimes. And I already do a very light eyeshadow, so you know what I'm going for. I ain't going for all that. I like to put powder in my eyebrows now. This just makes my eyebrows less dark. I don't know, more natural looking, I would say. Yeah, more natural because personally, I just, yeah. And contour. Y'all gonna be mad because my contour is pretty dark, but it's whatever. It's what pops on me that I use. And I just contour. Kind of always been a messy contour anyways. This is the best, the only way I know how to contour my nose. And then I just get my powder and kind of like just dust and all the excess powder off with a brush. Yeah, I don't really, like I said, I don't really do much when it comes to makeup. I just do my face and try to be on my own, be on my way. Yeah. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I skipped so many like parts. But yeah. That's my blush. And I am not wearing lashes. I don't wear lashes anymore. Just mascara. So okay. I forgot to mention, to avoid creasing and stuff, whenever I finish, I just go back and press, like make sure my foundation and all that stuff is being pressed in. pressed in. And yeah. Let me go put my hair on and I'll be right back with the final look. So this is the final look. My outfit is actually more feminine than it looks. I promise. Thanks for tuning in. I guess.